What is up, Buff Riders? KG, Rough to be Buff TV. We're back with another exercise tutorial today, and today we are taking a look at the isometric lunge rotation. So what we're trying to do here, you can do this with a PVC pipe, you can do this with a barbell. I really like this exercise, one, to build stability at the bottom position of a lunge. A lot of your athletes or just general exercisers, a lot of people don't work on isometrics at the bottom of a lunge, also adding in some rotation in the spine. So it's going to help with that thoracic part of your back. A very, very effective exercise when it comes to actually stabilizing in the trunk and core. So when you're getting down to the bottom, making sure that bottom knee does not touch the ground, rotate in a controlled fashion, pause and hold, come back to center and stand. Make sure that this movement is very segmented. I can find sometimes people will be rushing through it. They'll be kind of just getting the movement done for the sake of getting the movement. The whole goal here, guys, is to stabilize. Stabilize at the bottom, stabilize when you rotate, and then finish that rotation and then go ahead and stand. I'm going to give you kind of a side profile here. That back foot needs to be dug, so you're digging those toes into the ground. You can see my back heel is up. The back foot is also straight. Sometimes that foot can be angled if you have poor ankle or hip mobility. So the huge thing here, guys, like I said before, kind of repeating myself, is getting down to the bottom, rotating, completing that rotation, and stabilizing and holding still in every part of the movement. You can add weight by using a barbell. Sometimes I do this with a 45-pound barbell, maybe some 10-pound plates. You don't got to go crazy heavy. Load up however heavy you feel you need to. As always, I am KG. This is Rough to be Buff TV. Thank you so much for tuning in. Shoot me a like, subscribe if you found any of this stuff useful. I will see you guys next time. Peace.